A 50. Life, 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 life. Celebrate life. KFC 50. One more year upon them. One more year upon them. At the first location in the country. Hey, KFC. That's it. Yeah. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend KFC. One more year upon them. Oi. One will a vibe, give thanks for life. Next year we're doing it up. Hey KFC, happy birthday, yeah, me. Tell them, one more year upon them. Oi, more life to you, can we there till the end. Real from me heart, love it. Big birthday, gosh, if I even on the drum liquor. Hey, pull it up there. I have to celebrate the right way at KFC 50. This is the first one. This is the first one in Jamaica, yeah? I have to do it. Yeah, man, at the KFC location, see there? In there full. Whole Jamaica kind of frenzy right now, man, I tell you, say. Celebrate life, celebrate life. One more year upon them. KFC, one more year upon them. 50 years and one more year upon. I tell you this, yeah, yeah, yeah. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year upon them. One will a vibe, give thanks for life. KFC, we doing it again. Yes, yes. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. Oh, yes. One more year upon them. Oh, more life to you can win the till the end. Real family heart, look it. Big birthday, gosh. If I even on the ground liquor, splash. Give thanks for me life, oh gosh. I'm watching them make dipping on this. Drink up the things so it, oh, turn up the sound box. Tell them a bubble to the max, everything cool and relax. Send out the location, they are pass spot. KFC, so listen to them non-stop. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. Oi, one more year upon them. Oi, one will a vibe, give thanks for life. KFC doing it up. Hey, tell you this, happy birthday, yeah, my friend. And me tell you, one more deal upon them. Oi, more life to you can with the till the end. Real from me heart. See it there now. I will live on black. That's it. Best in one tree without best two KFC. Crazy now. Best in one tree so without best two. Best in no KFC. Step out in the knock under the choke. Shot all up. Oh, KFC we not take back. Tell them no. Again. Yeah, and I'm not if not, but now maybe. KFC celebrating 50, and we're not lazy. Alright then, what? Yeah. Smoke. KFC, what we do? Oh. We're getting. Sell them all of the lady. KFC me up, sell chicken from banana 50 years. I sell chicken, I will not stop sell chicken. With butt chicken, tell them I'm big and fancy. I tell them I'm close to it. I will tell us I got busy, how we run the thing. KFC, 50 years not the thing. Celebrating 50 years, I miss a half a century. Tell them I will do what? Wheel. A KFC is, and this uptown. I will defend myself. Whether we belly full or we empty, big up all the police officers, big up KFC, big up Tina, big up Gary Matalan, big up all the customers, big up all the supporters. Hey KFC, I'm gonna tell them, full deal when you think for them. And I'm behind. I miss a run out, KFC no. KFC no run out, I told the boy. So we pop out, and then we can go the more chop out and jump. Hey, KFC. Yo, let me tell you something. Read him up. Hey, KFC, let me tell you this. I represent KFC 50 years. At 50 years, the first location in Jamaica. They will not go and jail again. We're never gonna feel again. Like a ship we are gonna sail again. You will never see me call your friend for the end again. See me a courthouse no more. Bracelet up in the house no more. Step out and hold me one for sure. KFC line them full, check it in galore. Yes, I'm gonna say if you've been to KFC before, you know say customer service ensure. But tell us how you pay a meal, we'll at the floor. And tell us how we do it. Tell you about she's anywhere we go. And them serious, KFC we not nervous. I'm gonna tell you about, hey, tell us how we 50 years. KFC. Guess what? One phone call it take for order your KFC bucket or your big buck. Tina, I'm say big up yourself, Gary Matal and that say. We're ready for the 90 million commercial for KFC across the world. You know how it is. No self-praise, this is what it is. Hey KFC, no store can go round we, no fast food can go round we, KFC. One phone call it take, order your big bucket of chicken and you get the passport. Hey, I will not care about that. Can't talk, you know. I say you run place, I run the run road. Some of the fast food, hey, a KFC say you, I will see. I say no for them stairs, I will leave for them stairs. I miss enough for them stairs, I miss a chat them a chat, alright. I will leave for them stairs, I miss enough for them stairs, I will leave for them. Hey, all them stairs so KFC so good and none of them can't taste so. Oh, empty barrel I make nice and them a nobody, them a no. Can't step to the thing, me say all of the thing, they are real hands. Oh, yes, some have a one piece of chicken and a pose, but them no big restaurant, no way. You know, enough of them stairs, enough of them stairs, I chat them, I chat the action, feel like I miss enough of them stairs. Hold on, them miss enough of them stairs. Oh, you miss enough of them stairs. Watch your line full, the line they go all the way back up a Strawberry Hill. And the one they go all the way back around Ochi. Read him up. Ladies, I think about ladies here tonight. In the evening, I think about the ladies then. Everybody in the store, out of the store, on the road, I drive through. Hello, baby cat. I know you will in this station over. I need you tonight, I'm the lover. Come warm me up under the cuff. Make me rock till the lampshade turn off. Rub me chest, rest your head on my shoulder. I make me listen some Anita Baker. Make love wake up, whoop for the area sing. The girls here, all I need, and I'm miss you, baby. Miss you. We want some KFC, need your tenderness. Raises you, miss you. Hey, tell us, hey, ladies. Say, girl, look me up, squeeze me tight and close. Come here, make me brace up on your pink side. I me say, me and you forever, girl. Now go divorce me toes. Long life for your prosper the most. Love you on a vice when you call me. I me say, over and over, she scream again. In my arms, me want you to remain till the sunshine come up. Hey, KFC, tell them girls you're all I need. And I'm missing you, miss you, baby. I miss you, oh yes. I need your tender. I tell you this, I can't resist you. You know a freestyle, level it. KFC is all I need. KFC, tenderness. I can't see how we are all about. This is 50 years. Yeah man, this is a special moment. Freeze it right, this is a Caribbean. This is a special moment. I'm happy to say big up. I'm so honored to be here for represent for our country, our brand, our food, our place. Yeah man, and KFC, big up again. You know I'm grateful. Big up all the people traveling from all about. Yeah man, them streets I used to run up and down. Big Mango over there, so Aki round there, so link up Tiger round there, so link up DJ Karim round there, so go by studio up Renaissance up there, so I may play some walk up and down barefoot pants, so right there, so it's all about the blessing. Papi up there, so me live up there, so me live a Kentai up there, so me live a Garden Town up there, so We jump over fence and pick mango around. Yes. We go out with the bag of things them. So it's a blessing just to be here to represent in our life. That's very good. Yeah, man. Thank you again to KFC. I represent to the national anthem of Jamaica. Yeah, man. Everybody give thanks. A busy singer who, in case you never know, from all over the world. See how we dancing. Pull up, Gary. Yeah, man. Look up everybody, this is busy signal, that's the say. And everybody know me, who don't know me, see me. Yeah, man, let me see him one more. Atten. Respect KFC and we not sell out. Tell we about the weeks we always buy out. No matter where I got or abroad, KFC we represent right as to Jamaica. In a KFC right now, cause we're not afraid. Line long around the whole stores like we represent all over the world. Jamaica right as so we in here. Jamaica love, we wanna feel Jamaica. I wanna represent the people of Jamaica. 50 years KFC, I celebrate Jamaica. Oh, Jamaica love, KFC, Jamaica love. I wanna represent the people of Jamaica. Representing your KFC. Represent to your man. Jump off hurricane and storm. From the time we jump with the money, that man still a hustle hard on the ground. KFC, I'm the link to the Mexican and the Canadian and American England. Make sure so when I go from the north, so I'm a visit first to know. KFC, pick up the foundation. All your man, so we have a mission. I've lost out on the money, but let's wait in the same guns and army. I tell them, show me, show over the hand. Represent where you stand. They say, pick up KFC. Look how the line long, and they say, Jamaica love. We wanna feel Jamaica. Think about yourself, KFC, you're going to take 50 years. This is sit down. Bless up. Thank you so much, KFC. Big up the whole team. And we have to say, blessing, life, health, and strength over all things. Yeah, man, no one of me will like chicken and nobody fight and mash up on yourself. Chicken is your favorite body. Yeah, man, you can't go in your order. Maybe you can get chicken food, to chicken back when I hear them. Not today. So big up on yourself. At KFC, respect.
Better. Hold on, how much you got? You